Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rita and my channel name is Craft Today with Rita Renee. I'm sure a lot of you know who I am, but for those who don't, I'd love to have you join my family. Just hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. So let's get into what I'll be doing today. I'm participating in a collaboration hosted by Stephanie. Her channel name is Creatively Miss Me. Stephanie has asked us to decorate our fireplace today. If you don't have a fireplace, you could do a hutch or a side table. The rules for the challenge are as follows. You must be subscribed to Miss Stephanie's channel, mention her channel and the playlist in your video, and put a link to her channel and the playlist in the description box. And the other rule is that you must include at least one reindeer in your decor. So let's get right to mine and I'll show you guys what I've come up with today. Okay, so my fireplace is behind me. I will pick up the camera in a minute because I want to get you in closer. But just to give you an overview, we have the stockings here, and of course this is Mom, the 3 kids in the middle, and Dad on the end. So we'll see if our stockings actually get full this year. And up here we have a few DIYs I made, a Christmas tree, these 2 little signs. This came from Dollar Tree. It's the red truck countdown to Christmas. Then we have this little reindeer, and he is from Dollar General. And then on the end we have 2 little wired Christmas trees. Now I'm going to point you down at the bottom, and I will get you guys in closer in a few minutes. On each end I have just those cocoa liner baskets, and I have ornaments in them. Just a variety of colored ornaments. Here we just have a jar with some pine cones, candy canes, decorative balls, and lights in it. Then I have these 3 reindeer in the middle, and I want to take a minute just to tell you about them. I met a lady on Facebook, it's been several years ago, and I wanted to purchase something from her. And she was a home stager, so she ended up having quite a few items, and I bought quite a bit of stuff from her during this time. But she had the 2 little reindeer, and she actually gave those to me, and she said, I have a big one, and we've got to go to Kentucky because her mother-in-law had passed away and all that stuff was there. So it was like 2 months later, and she called me back and said, I have the reindeer, come get it. So they are old. I don't know how old. They're unique. My daughters think they're scary, but I like them. So that's the reindeer story. And then another basket on the end, and this little box is a DIY that I did, and just sled and some skis back there. And now I'm just going to pick up the camera and take you in closer so you can see everything. Just a moment. Okay guys, so we'll start at the top. Actually, over here on the wall I have a wreath that I made, and it was in the International Wreath Collaboration. Here is the tree, and I did DIY this using the 3 funnels from Dollar Tree and some ribbon. Then those are those little fall signs, the wood signs, and I DIY'd them. One says walking in a winter wonderland, and the other says fresh gingerbread baked daily. Thought those turned out cute. This little truck I got last year at Dollar General. It's the countdown till Christmas. And then there's a small reindeer from Dollar General as well. And then on the end, it's just these 2 wire glittery Christmas trees. These huge stockings. I was in Dollar General one day, and they were $1 guys. So of course I had to grab a couple of them. So we'll see if Mom and Dad get anything in their stocking this year. In the middle we have the children, and that's their initials on those stockings. I believe I got those at Kohl's one year. And there's the second huge stocking. Over here in this corner, which don't look at my mess, but There's a couple of signs I DIY'd and I'm just not sure where to put them right now, so they're sitting in the floor. Here at the bottom is the cocoa liner. There's a little sign back there. I picked it up at Dollar Tree. And down here is the little canister. It used to have a candle in it, so I've just got a few items in there. And here are these deer. Just let you take a look at these. If you guys have ever seen these before, know anything about them, let me know in the comments. There are no markings on them at all. They have little books and it actually has words. Now this is the only page that has any writing on them. The other pages are just blank. And the little reindeer, they have books also. So yeah, if any of you know anything about those reindeer, please let me know. And this is a little DIY. There are lights in there, and I'll turn the lights off in a moment and let you take a look. And just another cocoa liner with the ornaments. Now over here, there's a sign I DIY'd. And my inspiration for this is from Lakeside Collection. There was a picture in there of this item, and I thought, well, that'll be easy. I can DIY that. And this is a post that I made. I'm not sure what you would call it, but in the recycle bin at work, there was this big tube, sort of like maybe what blueprints or something would come in. So of course I snatched it up. I do want to make a sign to go on the side of this to stick out from it, but I just haven't got around to that yet. So while I'm here, and it's right here to my right, I'll just show you what I have on my little side table. This is a table I DIY'd, was going to give it to my son, but he hasn't picked it up yet. So I like it, I'll keep it if he doesn't want it. But anyway, there is a little mailbox from Dollar Tree. These wooden Christmas trees with the marble base are from Lowe's, I believe. Got those last year after Christmas. And the two little trees in the back I picked up at Walmart last year after Christmas. And the sign, of course, is the Dollar Tree. It is "Home is where the family gathers." So I wanted to turn the lights off really quick and let you take a look at my fireplace. Those are the only two lights that I have on there. I don't have any at the top. That's going to wrap up this video today. I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching and showing your support by continuing to watch my videos. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. If you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you. And I would like to take just a moment to thank Miss Stephanie again. Her channel will be below in the description box, as well as the link to the playlist. Be sure to check out Stephanie's channel. Also check out the playlist. You can get some great inspirational ideas for your winter Christmas decor this year. Until next time, guys, have a great day, and I will see you in my next video.